Yo guys, and right now I will be talking about a huge Bitcoin catalyst that could be, of course, cause Bitcoin to be moving up in the course of today here. So make sure to watch this video right now here. I will be also explaining about why Bitcoin moved down yesterday and what we could be expecting further in towards today. So right now, right away, I want to be going in towards the content. So slap up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive in towards this. So this chart is the S&P 500, and like we do know, Bitcoin tends to move together with the S&P 500, and yesterday the S&P 500 fell down here towards this horizontal support range, like this range over here I'm currently talking about, and Bitcoin, of course, got corrected massively. However, the S&P 500 started to be recovering, like you can see over here, but Bitcoin clearly hasn't. Bitcoin hasn't not really been recovering. It has only falling down even furthermore, and it has even not been able to hold on towards this very strong support range we would have liked to see Bitcoin bouncing from off. So right now, after seeing the S&P 500 coming down and retest this very important W structure, right? Like you can see here, we're forming a bottoming structure. This is a clear bottoming structure, and we're coming down right now. We retest the top side of the W, and we are bouncing from it. This is one easy trading opportunity. We are going to look for a continuation towards the upside. We formed a W, we retested W successfully, and we're right now starting to be bouncing. Only one thing is very weird, and that is Bitcoin has not been following yet here. Last time around, Bitcoin has not following yet here. It moved up over the course of the weekend. So right now, we can see the S&P 500 is bouncing from a W pattern and probably is going to increase even further on towards the upside. But Bitcoin isn't. And that is why I'm currently bullish on Bitcoin, because if we are on, of course, later today in towards the opening of the S&P 500, on the opening of the US stock market, I personally think we're going to see a further increasement because we are bouncing from off that neckline of the W structure. We are probably going to see Bitcoin following, and probably in a very, very fast pace. So that is why I'm currently still long on Bitcoin. I'm long on Bitcoin because I personally think it's going to be a bullish continuation we're going to get generated from off the S&P 500. Together with the dollar index right now forming somewhat of an head and shoulders. You can clearly see over here on this market, we are forming right now a downward sloping neckline. We're forming the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, and of course you could also approach it on this time frame. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We're right now coming down, and we're forming a clear, like you can see over here, we're forming a clear lower high structure on the dollar index. This is going to lead towards a continuation down here. Bullish for Bitcoin, of course, in this case, together with Bitcoin bouncing from its downward sloping resistance line that right now clearly flipped into support after we broke above it from, what basically was previously around resistance. And together, of course, right now we are looking on the weekly time frame. Of course, we got rejected from the 31.8k level here, and so far the important support to look at below us is going to be 28.2k. But in this case, we are definitely looking a little bit more bullish, and I'm basing this purely off the S&P 500, and I'm basing it off the thoughts that Bitcoin is going to be following the S&P 500 into the course of today here, and especially once the US market is going to be opening. Like you can see, Bitcoin has been not very strong on this very important level, the 30.3k. However, I'm still longing this market. I'm still looking for that further continuation towards the upside, what I personally think is very likely to occur. Then furthermore, I want to be talking about Solana. Solana is right now 11% down today. Why is that happening? Is because once again, guys, the second time in the month, Solana halted the network due to a bug linked towards cold storage transactions. So once again, guys, I've been warning you guys for Solana. It is not maybe they are very scalable, but it is not a very reliable network. So I don't really think that Solana is the Ethereum killer. And I personally think it could be even suffer furthermore. And of course, they are having so many issues, and you can just see it, wide and clear right now that how many issues Solana basically got here. So I've been already warning you guys several times about it, that in this correction phase, I've not bought Solana, but I have been buying BNB. And why have I been buying BNB? Let me quickly explain it to you guys out there. So if you look to this chart, the BNB compared to Bitcoin chart, right? And you're going to zoom out here. You're going to look at the weekly time frame. Look at this. This is BNB compared to Bitcoin. BNB is holding up so well against the Bitcoin price action. And guys, if I'm zooming out, we can see that back in 2018, it has been always straight in an uptrend against Bitcoin. And you can see that right now it's forming one crazy large symmetrical triangle on the weekly time frame. BNB is the coin that is going to be exploding. if you want to have one pick to be buying right now, and of course this is no financial advice, I am looking to BNB. So guys, make sure to do your own research, but this is the BNB compared to Bitcoin valuation, bullish continuation chart here. I am extremely excited about this chart we're currently looking at. So guys, yeah, this was already it for today's update video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to smash up the like button. Later today, I will be, of course, drop a full depth video about what altcoins I'm currently buying here, because I do see some more altcoins that are looking actually very good to buy. And this is not Solana, I can already guarantee you, but this BNB coin as well looks very solid for a spot accumulation right now here to potentially make a 5 or 10x here in the coming months ahead of ourselves. So there are very big opportunities, guys. Make sure to smash up the like button if you do enjoy it, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.